Welcome to Healthy Journey. Have you ever wondered why rosemary is so prevalent in kitchens worldwide? This aromatic herb is a culinary gem, lending its robust flavor and delightful fragrance to a multitude of dishes. From the Mediterranean to the Americas, rosemary has found its way into the hearts and plates of gourmands and home cooks alike. Its piney, slightly bitter taste makes every dish stand out, from savory roasts and grilled delicacies to intricate pasta dishes. It's the secret ingredient that brings a unique depth of flavor, a certain je ne sais quoi that leaves everyone asking for more. And let's not forget marinades. A sprig of rosemary can transform a simple marinade into a flavorful infusion, making your meats tender and aromatic. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, having rosemary in your spice rack is like having a magic wand at your disposal. Indeed, rosemary is a culinary superstar, enhancing the taste and aroma of countless dishes. Moving beyond the kitchen, did you know that rosemary is also a beloved ingredient in aromatherapy and skincare? The robust scent of rosemary essential oil is more than just an aromatic delight. It's known for its calming effects, helping to reduce stress and alleviate muscle tension. Picture coming home from a long, taxing day and unwinding with the invigorating scent of rosemary filling your space. It's a natural, soothing way to promote relaxation and wellness. But the wonders of rosemary don't stop there. This multi-purpose herb is also a powerhouse in skincare. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it a potent ingredient to soothe irritated skin and combat acne. Its natural antioxidants help to protect your skin from environmental stressors, promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. Imagine incorporating rosemary-infused products into your skincare routine. Whether you're dealing with persistent blemishes, redness, or just seeking a glow-up, rosemary could be the natural solution you've been looking for. Clearly, rosemary is not just for cooking, it's also a natural remedy for stress and skin issues. Its versatility and myriad benefits make it a truly remarkable herb, a testament to the wonders of nature's bounty. So the next time you see this humble herb, remember, it's not just a flavor enhancer, it's also a potential game changer for your wellness and skincare routine. But the magic of rosemary doesn't stop there. It's also a favorite among gardeners. Ever wondered why? Well, rosemary is not just a culinary and therapeutic wonder, it's also a gardening gem. This resilient herb adds a touch of beauty with its evergreen leaves and delicate blue flowers. It's a plant that truly offers year-round appeal. What's more, rosemary plays a crucial role in the ecosystem of your garden. It's a magnet for beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, helping to enhance biodiversity. It also acts as a mosquito repellent. These little visitors not only contribute to a thriving garden, but also play a vital role in our broader environment. Best of all, rosemary is a low-maintenance plant. It's drought-tolerant and thrives with minimal care, making it a perfect choice for both newbie gardeners and those with a seasoned green thumb. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, consider adding rosemary to your plant family. And if all these uses aren't impressive enough, research suggests that rosemary might also have some surprising health benefits. Scientific studies have been delving into the health benefits of this remarkable herb, and the findings are rather promising. Rosemary is believed to aid digestion, making it a wonderful addition to your meals, not just for its flavor, but also for its potential to enhance your body's digestive process. More impressively, it's also been linked to boosting memory and concentration. Yes, you heard that right. This humble herb might just be the secret to a sharper mind and better focus. But the benefits don't stop there. It's also been suggested that rosemary supports overall brain health. The compounds found in rosemary have shown potential in promoting neurological protection, which could possibly play a role in preventing brain aging and degenerative diseases. With such a wide array of benefits, it's no wonder that rosemary is considered a wonder herb. In summary, rosemary is truly a multi-purpose gift from nature. It's a culinary star, enriching dishes with its robust flavor. It's a therapeutic powerhouse in aromatherapy and skincare, soothing our bodies and minds. It's a gardener's delight, attracting beneficial insects and requiring minimal care. It's even a potential health booster, with research suggesting it may support brain health. Please like, subscribe, and share. So next time you encounter rosemary, remember that it's not just an herb, it's a natural wonder with countless uses and benefits. Until next time, stay healthy and happy in your life journey.